Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rajesh. I hope you are all doing good. In this channel, I try to make video on UI UX design and traveling videos. You can check out my traveling playlist also because I believe there is a world outside beyond your work life. So in today's video, we will make a splash animation by using a smart animate in Figma. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, Behance or Dribble. I will paste the link in the description box. Before we just start, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's get started. So in today's video, we will create this small animation. When you click on the next, background pops out, this vector goes up and few description comes. When you click on a go back, it goes out. So go to the main file. I have already this vector. You can find this in the below description box. I will paste the Figma link. Choose frame. Choose iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now copy this vector, paste it here. Control C, Control V. Change the name like screen 1 because will be the screen 1 for the part of the animation. Like change the name of this, like keep it banking app. Now we will create a button. Make it roundish. Yeah, 50 is good. 170, yeah. Make it little smaller in height. 57 is okay. Make it center line. Change the color. We can change this color into different thing, like I will choose my favorite one, OE65ED. Yeah, this one is perfect. Name it next. Increase the font size. 18 is good. Change the drop shadow. Sorry, give the drop shadow. Choose the same color and reduce the opacity. 30, not 30, 20. Make it 4. Yeah, 8 is good. On blur, make it 10 in the blur. 25% in opacity is fine. Yeah. Now rearrange all this thing. Group the next button. Bring it down the button. Now take circle. Center it. Give it gradient color. Double 755 CF. Yeah, it's good. Change this color also. Make it, we have to increase the opacity. Bring it to center. Yeah, behind this is fine. Now give some description text like easy banking, simple way. Make it semi-bold, increase the font size. Bring it little up. Change this description. Make the font size smaller. Connect your money to friends, family, and experience. Yeah, that's fine. Make it medium. Change the font size, make it 16 or 18. Make it regular, yeah. Make it white. Change the opacity to 0%. Make it white again. Change the opacity 0. Now we will rearrange all this thing. Yeah, bring it little down. Change the ellipse name into BG. Now copy this frame. This vector icon at above and increase the background, like make it to whole screen. Give it, increase the opacity, make it 100 for both the text. Now we will prototype it, like connect next to second screen, make it easy in and out, make it 1600 ms. Now we will check this flow, is it okay? Next, yeah, it's fine. Now we will connect second screen to screen 1. Change the text to go back. Center line. Connect this screen to screen 1. Yeah, all the interaction detail will be the same. Click on next. Yeah, it's fine.